Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swati Vyas. I'm a fetal medicine consultant at Akhora Hospital. Today I'm going to talk to you about NT scan. I'm sure all of you have heard if you've had children before, or if this is your first pregnancy, then I'm going to give a brief overview of what is done in the third month scan, what people commonly call it, or an NT scan or a first trimester scan. We generally do the scan at 11 to 13 plus 6 weeks, or roughly we can say between 11 to 14 weeks, when the baby's length is between 45 to 84 mm. Why we are doing this scan? Firstly, many women come here for the first time during this third month to confirm their pregnancy, how pregnant they are, to confirm the gestational age of the baby. We check and see how many fetuses are there, because life is full of surprises and sometimes we find more than one fetus inside. So this is the best time to see if there are more than one fetuses. If there are twins, what type of twins we can determine during this stage. We also look at the baby's heart rate. We also look at where the placenta is situated. This is a general overview of the scan, but primarily why we are doing the scan is to look at the NT. What does NT stand for? NT stands for nuchal translucency, which is a fluid collection behind the baby's neck. All babies have it. It's normal to have some amount of fluid collected there, which we are measuring during the course of our scan. We take the measurement of the crown rump length, maximum length of the baby. We take the heart rate of the baby. We take maternal age into consideration, and we come up with figures which will determine if everything is all right with the pregnancy, or we need to worry about something, or some other test needs to be done. So this was a brief overview of what we are going to expect in the scan, but how it is done. So many people panic a lot when they are coming for the scan, that is it something big going to happen? It is big for parents because this is the first time they are going to see their baby in baby form. In the sense, they can see baby's parts, hands, legs very clearly at this time. Up till now, even if they've had the scan, it just looked like an embryo and they were just reassured that a heartbeat was there. But this is the first time they'll experience that this is a live baby inside who is moving the limbs, who is having facial features. So this is a very important part of the scanning as well. Usually tell all my patients to give enough time for the scan, because this is a time consuming scan. It depends a lot on baby's position. So take enough time out. If you are a working mother, please take leave. Book the appointment in advance so that you come relaxed to the scan center. You can have your normal meal, normal breakfast, and come on your scheduled time to the department. For this particular scan, we expect you to have full bladder, a relatively full bladder, because that gives us enough what we call in our terminology acoustic window, so that which means our visibility while we are performing the scan is good. The scan is performed mostly transabdominally. So we make you lie down on a couch. Jelly is kept for contact with the ultrasound probe. Ultrasound probe is moved left to right, and we tend to see the baby on the monitor. Sometimes some machines are equipped with an extra monitor so that you can simultaneously see the baby. Else, after the scan is done, I'll explain to you thoroughly what I have noticed during the scan. So as I mentioned earlier, we'll be seeing the number of babies, we'll be seeing the size, age of the baby.